Hey guys, what's again, audience? And I'm gonna see you. Wait, it's in my pocket. This. Oh, sorry. Yeah, he was awesome, right? Let's say I'm saying and really payphone song. I can do the rap easily. The rap's so easy. Right. The easiest the rap. Cause it's all funny. I like raps.
What's your name?
Fuck that shit. I better be son. Give me that now. Well, you can put that when the butt. See my stun. Oh, but oh no. I'm just kidding. I don't know how. Say. No. I have video games on for sure. You know, there's new games. Oh yeah, go to Nickelodeon.com and log in and see there John Leon. That's my name. And also I'm wearing a hat. Wearing a hat, basketball hat, and you see there. You see there's something, my basketball hat. Go there. I mean, you just look to the comments in Super Bowl 2. Okay, I'm eating.
What's that? You're talking yourself.
This is my home room. See many houses. So dark already. Can you see something? Yeah. Right, you're gonna see something. See this? The light thingy? That's the moon.
That's the way you lie.
I usually forgot to buy another one. Lego. In Philippines, there's new Go-Go's already. And I show it in the commercials, and it says there are Go-Go's Mega Trip. Don't copy like the other ones. I mean Philippines. No, something else does. The new Go-Go's for series. We have series 3. Yeah. Also, I have a new car in Lego. Okay. No.
Where's my piyaya pala?
Lovely! Yeah.
Taste ha?
You know what? Seriously? In Lego, there's new gasoline station named Shell V-Power. You can see many Lego there. Also this guy. I buy in Shell V-Power. It's a gasoline. If you're on a gas like that, and show me your reviews about that, and tell me what happened. Okay? No. I like really Go-Go's. Because there's new Go-Go's for series in Philippines. Tries.
Kaya basta ko, may makapili kayo. Paano?
Sorry, I cannot think anymore. And wait. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Oh hi. So there's new. Go girl.
You. Kalat. Wait.
Okay. Look at my plate. One more pie and I'm done. Also, I like pies. My favorite snack. Oh, go. I got this short. I got this. Oh, yeah.
What day tomorrow? What day tomorrow? Wednesday?
No.